Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ulat jongka Jylla utata katharoi hakash potri unok pra arajar khat khandai ula ai da Syrnot Ïaroh yau MLA jongka penthor umkra constituency uba Alexander Elheng ubalong ru menteri ka sorkar Jylla halor ka jingkuluj mensiem jong ban ai Jaka Rieh ya ki Nongdie Madan ki baju kamai jakpo man la kasingi ban pendap yala ka yeng kasem bat ban basai la ki khon ki kiti da ka bade jingde harut surok ha golfling Shillong. Hakani Syrnot ulat ke Jylla ula Ïaroh shikat day yau MLA ubadan ya ka mensiem ban perkhat lem ya ki duk sok bat ki rang ni kijuki ban ai Jaka shong de jing de klem shim bai wai ha ka mala ka baula penchna kerpang ha golfing ya ka bala ai kerteng kum ka hawkers free zone market hakani ka hawkers free zone market kidon da ki phongot ki nong snong jong ka penthor umkra constituency ki basong de jing de bakan thop ki trai mulok bat kum ju ru ya ki wei pat ki jek benrio nalor ulat ke Jylla wat ka Retailer Association of India ru kala pha ya ka kerwo ai Ïaroh yau new MLA ka penthor umkra halor new sinyang ben hei ba ulano sha uthop thiar jong ka lang ka salang
from the different organization that is was I received from the Urban Affairs Department, the state government of Meghalaya, Urban Affairs Department, appreciating me for my, accommodating the street vendors to give a place to them for selling their whatever goods they are selling on the road before, but now they are selling in the building itself. In the mall, it's hard to say. Comparison with the Meghalaya standard, it is a mall only, where we're already accommodating all of them in the mall. So I've got another, the award is one from the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, was been awarded me and also appreciating about my, the public service, which is accommodating all these street vendors from the roadside to the hall, to the mall. Then also I got another is from the Retail Association of India. The Retail Association of India, they had host the national program in Calcutta. They had invited me and also awarded me at the same time for my social service to the poor people in our state, particularly for my people in Golfling area, where we are, protecting, not only giving the social service, even at the same time protecting the greenery and also the beautiful golf course of Shillong by littering and other thing, which is at present from those vendors, from the state vendors. Beginning, there were 31 vendors, those who are selling goods on the roadside, on the streets. This is only the beginning, and we have a long way to go to walk in the middle of the poor people. I went to work for the poor people. So that's why it had made me how to find out the ways and means to help the poor people. That's why that made me to accommodate all those poor people from the street vendors to the mall. They have not charged anything. They are paying now only their own consumption of the electricity. Till today we have not been collected. And also for the cleanliness, which is, that has to be done by the society only. But till today still we are managing, but definitely, ultimately, it has to be managed by themselves only, by the hawkers. That is very clear and firm. We have seen now in and out of the surrounding market area. If it is Bara Bazaar, if it is Place Bazaar, if it is anywhere Bara Bazaar, we have seen so many street vendors, which is this, there's facing a lot of problem for the pedestrian. Pedestrian cannot move freely, where all the footpath and all had been covered by the hawkers. So, need to regulating this. Until unless we, the government, take the stand for regulations for these hawkers, will not be able to make our city clean.